Apple. Apple. I eat an apple every morning. Apricot. Apricot. She bought fresh apricots from the market. Avocado. Avocado. He spread avocado on his toast. Banana. Banana. Monkeys like to eat bananas. Blackberry. Blackberry. We picked blackberries in the garden. Blueberry. Blueberry. Blueberries are sweet and juicy. Boysenberry. Boysenberry. I added boysenberries to my smoothie. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe tastes great in summer. Cherry. Cherry. She put a cherry on top of the cake. Clementine. Clementine. Clementines are easy to peel. Coconut. Coconut. We drank fresh coconut water. Cranberry. Cranberry. Cranberry juice is very healthy. Currant. Currant. I like currants in my muffins. Date. Date. Dates are sweet and sticky. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit has a bright pink skin. Durian. Durian. Durian smells strong but tastes sweet. Elderberry. Elderberry. Elderberries are used in jam. Fig. Fig. Figs are soft and delicious. Gooseberry. Gooseberry. Gooseberries are small and sour. Grape. Grape. I eat grapes as a snack. Grapefruit. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is rich in vitamin C. Guava. Guava. Guava juice is refreshing. Honeydew. Honeydew. Honeydew melon is very sweet. Jackfruit. Jackfruit. Jackfruit is large and tropical. Kiwi. Kiwi. I like kiwi with my breakfast. Kumquat. Kumquat. Kumquats are tiny and tangy. Lemon. Lemon. I squeeze lemon into my tea. Lime. Lime. Lime juice is sour but tasty. Lychee. Lychee. Lychee is juicy and fragrant. Mango. Mango. Mangoes are my favorite fruit. Mangosteen. Mangosteen. Mangosteen has a sweet taste. Melon. Melon. I sliced a melon for dessert. Mulberry. Mulberry. Mulberries grow on trees. Nectarine. Nectarine. Nectarines are similar to peaches. Olive. Olive. I eat olives with my salad. Orange. Orange. I drink orange juice every morning. Papaya. Papaya. Papaya is rich in nutrients. Passion fruit. Passion fruit. Passion fruit tastes tangy and sweet. Peach. Peach. Peaches are soft and juicy. Pear. Pear. I like to eat a pear after lunch. Persimmon. Persimmon. Persimmons are bright orange. Pineapple. Pineapple. Pineapple is tropical and sweet. Plum. Plum. Plums are small and round. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Pomegranate seeds are red and juicy. Pomelo. Pomelo. Pomelo is larger than a grapefruit. Quince. Quince. Quince is often used in jams. Raspberry. Raspberry. I like raspberry on my yogurt. Red currant. Red currant. Red currants are tart and red. Star fruit. Star fruit. Star fruit is shaped like a star. Strawberry. Strawberry. Strawberries are sweet and red. Tangerine. Tangerine. Tangerines are easy to peel. Ugly fruit. Ugly fruit. Ugly fruit is tangy and juicy. Watermelon. Watermelon. Watermelon is perfect in summer. Ziziphus fruit. Ziziphus fruit. Ziziphus fruit is used in tea. Acerola. Acerola. Acerola is rich in vitamin C. Ackee. Ackee. Ackee is cooked before eating. African cucumber. African cucumber. African cucumber is green and fresh. Allspice berry. Allspice berry. Allspice berries are used in cooking. Amborella. Amborella. Amborella is a tropical fruit. Eight moya. Eight moya. Eight moya tastes sweet and creamy. Babaco. Babaco. Babaco is juicy and tangy. Bale fruit. Bale fruit. Bale fruit is used in drinks. Barberry. Barberry. Barberries are sour and small. Bilberry. Bilberry. Bilberries are dark blue and sweet. Black sapote. Black sapote. Black sapote tastes like chocolate. Blood orange. Blood orange. Blood orange is red inside. Breadfruit. Breadfruit. Breadfruit is starchy and filling. Buddha's hand. Buddha's hand. Buddha's hand is fragrant and decorative. Cactus pear. Cactus pear. Cactus pear grows on cacti.